Hello, so let me show you today, without wasting a lot of your time, how we set up a voice AI agent for one of the home services business, that is tree services for, and it did wonders for him. You'll just see it in a minute with a live demo.
Thanks for calling 855 Tree Man. I'm Brittany, your after-hours virtual assistant. Before we begin, is this an emergency?
Yes, Brittany.
Damage, a fallen tree, or anything that needs urgent act?
Yes, it is.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Please describe what happened so I can alert our emergency response team right away. You'll
So,
also receive a confirmation text shortly.
a tree fell by because of the last night's storm that we had in our backyard.
Got it. Thank you for sharing that. To make sure our team can reach you quickly, I'll take down a few details. May I have your full name, please?
I am Sawan, Sawan.
Thank you, Seven. Just to confirm, that's Sawen, correct?
Yes, correct.
Great. Can I get the best number for a callback?
So you can call me on 98317 36959.
Thank you. So that's 98317369939, right?
Perfect.
Perfect. May I have your email address, please?
So my email address is savan@gmail.com.
Thanks. So that's 7@gmail.com, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. Which county are you located in?
I'm from the Charles County.
Great. You're in Charles County. Could you share your full address or just your zip code or street name, whichever is more convenient?
The zip code is 11001.
Thank you for that. When is the most convenient time for our team to reach out to you? Our callback hours are Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Awesome. So you can call me on Mondays to Fridays between 10 a.m. to 12.
Perfect. I've got all the details. Our team will be in touch during those hours. Is there anything else I can assist you with before we end the call?
Nothing else for now, Brittany. Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome, Seven. Thanks again for calling 855 Tree Men. Wishing you a safe and smooth day ahead. Goodbye.
Goodbye. So we set this AI agent for all the calls our client was receiving after business hours, which usually he would miss. So imagine the number of calls this voice AI agent received in the last 2 months. It was about actually much more than 200. And now let's say the client has a 10% conversion rate, which actually would be much more, has a 10% of conversion rate, and his average ticket size is $3,000. Now, if he converted 20 clients, or maybe let's say even lesser, that's 10 clients, with an average ticket size of $3,000 per client, he was able to get $30,000, which was a lost sales for him. With what amount of investment? Actually, almost nothing. So you or your business can also have or utilize the benefits of AI voice, and AI reviews for your home services business, like this particular client who is into tree services business did. If you want to know more about it, feel free to ask me and I'll help you with the same.